Sophia A., grade 4, absent, because transportation was absent.
Julio M., grade 6, absent, because Wi-Fi was absent.
Maria J., grade 12, absent, because childcare for siblings was absent.
Jacob O., grade 12, absent.
Because housing was absent.
Aisha S.,
Olivia H.
Darren L.
Cole W.
Preston L.
Absent.
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 Because healthcare.
Anti-bullying.
Mental health support was absent.
We're calling roll on the 15 million absent students.
Their reasons why are very real.
And yet the solution is a present, caring adult to help them along their path.
When Communities in Schools is present, 99% of our students are present and ready to learn.
The students at Henry Clay School, there are about 578 of us. We have a very diverse population, and it's every year becoming more and more diverse.
At Clay Elementary, I work with students in various age categories and various grades. So we provide different groups. I do individual support. I always try to make sure that they know that they're heard, that they're supported. They can always come here for whatever they need, no matter what it is. I actually love being here. I love hearing their stories. That helps me know that they trust me and that they know that I'm willing to listen to whatever it is and give them the support that they need.
Relationships are at the center of everything we do at Communities and Schools of Chicago, because a lot of times schools don't necessarily have those opportunities and resources in their school already. So those community programs and those community partners kind of help to bridge the gap in a lot of those key areas.
In our partnership with CIS of Chicago, they provide us access to the list of schools that have the greatest need. They help us connect with those schools, and then they support us in our relationship with the schools. So we feel like we always have someone that has our back and is helping us navigate those relationships.
Impact looks different depending on the school, the community partner, the student, because it's tailored. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. At CIS of Chicago, we know that our presence matters, but beyond that, after that, we have to make sure that we're doing all the things that create the stepping stones for everybody to get what they need to be able to thrive in their communities.
When CIS of Chicago is present, our young people have access to explore opportunities and envision their future.
When CIS of Chicago is present, we're able to serve the students that have the greatest need and expose them to arts.
When CIS of Chicago is present, students have a trusted adult that they can seek out for support.
When CIS of Chicago is present, students come to school, stay on track, and graduate prepared for success.
When CIS of Chicago is present at Henry Clay School, our teachers, our students, our parents are being provided with services that we otherwise would not have. And so we're very appreciative of that. We need CIS in our building.